You gonna read it again? What is it? You say bubbles?
Bubble.
Bubbles. The fish blows bubbles. What's the horsey say? What's the horsey say? Yeah, something like that. What's the kitty say? Meow, that's right. What's the goose say? Go quack, quack, quack.
What does Ella say?
Actually, I think geese say something else. What's that? Is that a mouse? Yeah. Can you find the cow? Can you find the holly cow? There's the kitty. There's the fish. What's that? Bird. What's that one? No, what is it? It's a bug. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, what's the puppy say? What's the puppy say?
Mama.
Mama, that's right. A little mama and a little kid. Where'd the cow? I think you missed the cow. Let's look. We always miss the cow page, don't we? There's the sheep. What's the sheep say? There they are. Moo. Can you say holly? Does that look like holly? See, I've been looking at this book for 30 minutes. Yes. What's the puppy say, Ella?